Welcome to another Vinopsis edition with the latest financial updates. Oil is among the losers today, falling close to 1%. Let's turn to Morgan for more of the top stories which are moving the markets.
Out of the 11 sectors in the S&P 500, only 2 ended today's session in the green. Still, the index managed to close up 0.2% after U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen's endorsement of the new federal spending deal, which aims to prevent a government shutdown and push forward IRS modernization through a pact established by House Speaker Mike Johnson and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer. Today's gains were led by the energy sector, which rose an impressive 1.6%, backed by a 0.4% advance for utilities stocks. Real estate and consumer discretionary were the worst performers, with losses of 2.4% and 2% respectively. U.S. markets closed about 20 minutes ago. Let's turn to our FANGs update. The technology giant's group biggest mover today was Apple. The stock advanced 0.5%, following the company's announcement of the upcoming launch of the Vision Pro mixed reality headset at $3,499. Over the past month, Apple is up 1.9%, compared with a 6% return for the Nasdaq 100. Speaking of FANGs, our proprietary algorithm currently signals a buy recommendation for Meta platforms, backed by 4 important technical indicators: the parabolic SAR, the OBV, the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. Notable in the U.S. stock market: 717 million S&P 500 shares, valued at $65 billion, traded today in New York. The top 5 volume leaders accounted for 24% of the total trading volume. Ford, Bank of America and Verizon Communications are among the volume leaders. Bank of America jumped 19% over the past 3 months, showing strong performance. The S&P 500 stocks which recorded the largest moves today were Waters, with a 7% slump, Insulet, which sank 7%, and Dollar General, with a 7% dive. Las Vegas Sands was also one of the big movers today. Las Vegas Sands traded today on less than a third of its monthly average day volume. These are the stocks which are drawing attention today. The first on our short list, Lam Research, dropped 4% today, to end at $752, in spite of the company's report of Q3 revenue of $3.48 billion, which exceeded expectations despite a decline from the previous year. The second on our list, Federal Realty Investment Trust, slid 2.7% today, to finish at $101.60, following the company's decision to issue $400 million in exchangeable senior notes and engage in capped call transactions for general corporate endeavors and debt repayment. Finally, last but not least, is NVS, which rose 1.3% today, to end at $101, following the company's strategic decision to expand its pharmaceutical portfolio by acquiring Cytokinetics Incorporated for around $9 billion, primarily due to interest in their promising heart medication.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoyed your latest edition. Don't miss out on our coming updates with what you need to know for great portfolio returns.